Today we're looking at the 2025 GMC SIERRA 3500 HD in a Summit White. This one is powered by a DURAMAX 6.6 liter V8 diesel engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside we have our black interior cloth seats, and down below you'll find our power seat controls. Up top we have our leather wrapped steering wheel, and inside you'll find our infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. To the left, you'll find our volume scroll wheel, and down below, you'll find our dual climate control zones. Beside that, we have our trailer brake controls, as well as this vehicle is equipped with keyless entry, remote start, and push-to-start ignition. If we take a look here in the middle, you'll see we have cup holders, as well as some storage here in the middle console. And if we lift this up, this becomes a third seat. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at our driver's side door, you will see we do have our automatic power windows. And right next to that, we have our adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle, we have our power locks. And over here, you'll find our park brake, our drive modes, and our automatic high beam controls. Moving along to the steering wheel here, on the right-hand side, you'll find our voice recognition, as well as our menu selector here on the right-hand side. Of course, on the left-hand side, you'll find our forward collision alert, as well as our cruise control settings. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a rear view camera. And of course, up top, we have our OnStar and SOS. Checking out the exterior here, if we take a look, we do have our GMC badge in the middle with chrome accents in our grille and our chrome bumper with our black tow hooks. We have LED headlights and fog lamps. Our DURAMAX 6.6 liter ALLISON badge here on the left-hand side, as well as our Michelin tires on our 18-inch rims. We have our adjustable side mirrors here, our keyless entry like I mentioned earlier, assist step on the side, as well as the corners. If we make our way to the back here, you will see we do have our exhaust on the right-hand side, as well as our spare tire, our chrome rear bumper, SLE badge here on the right-hand side, and our 4x4 badge on each side as well. We also have our easy lift tailgate, comes down hands-free, no problem, to lead you to our spray-on bedliner, and of course our 120-volt outlet here on the right-hand side. And that is our 2025 GMC SIERRA 3500 HD SLE in a Summit White. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.